So guess what just arrived? So the first modifications. Let's start off with a big box. And it's empty. Because I have no patience. I'm really sorry, but it was in the house for about a week and I had to go and put the spoiler on straight away. So you have to forgive me for that, but that was the main thing. Like, look how much it's changed it. So it was in the box in how many pieces was it? So that was one piece, that was one piece, and then this bit is a cover. So this is separate from the front, and then you've got these parts as well. And yeah, you'll fit it all together. I did fit it myself, but it was getting on my nerves. It took me like 5.5 hours to do it because I didn't want to go and make holes everywhere. And yeah, I took my time with it and I just couldn't record it. Looks mean. Yeah, I'm loving the spoiler. Like I said, I'm sorry, but I have literally no patience at all. I don't know how I've left these ones. Obviously I opened them, but at least I didn't go and fit it. So let's see what's next. And big box always first. These are, it is another set in there. It's just obviously I can't take them out with one hand, so I'll just take them out like this. So these are the front canards. I thought these are going to be gloss like the spoiler, but they actually came like matte, so I need to paint these. But yeah, as you can see, they're not exactly, they are a little bit glossy, but not to my liking. I need it to be matching this, and obviously the sides and around here, and obviously the roof as well. So, and the front splitter, and these are going to go on. So that's that piece, and then we've got a little piece as well which goes just above. Yeah, so I might paint these, I might put them on and then take them off and get them painted and then put them on, put them back on, because I think I'm going to do these myself again. These look simple enough because you can see the holes here, so I can easily line it up however I like, get a marker, mark them down, and then drill the holes accordingly. So let's get on to the next box. It's like Christmas. Okay, so these are actually perfect and exactly the way I want them, so I'm really happy about that. So these are the, I don't know what you'd call these. Are they canards for the rear, or I don't know. Yeah, these are nice and glossy. So they are just like the spoiler. And these go on, let's see, this is this side one. So this one you don't really need to drill them. I think, yeah, they do have spots to drill them, but because it's the rear, I don't think it's going to be that much wind hitting this. So I might just double-sided tape this. And these are, let's open the big one first, obviously. So these are the side AMG logos. So that's going to go on like that. These are going to be going black as well. Even the Mercedes sign. And then these two obviously as well. Let's see what this one is. So this one is, again, an AMG logo, but this one is for the front bumper. So it goes in there. So that's going to be pretty cool. And I'm thinking of wrapping the grille in black. but I don't know what I'm doing with the wheels. I still like them, and I washed the car yesterday and I like them more now. So got some really good news today. So I'm recording this Tuesday, I'll be uploading Wednesday hopefully, or Thursday. And today the downpipes are coming. My day off is Wednesday, so I might try and get them done, if it is even possible to get them installed tomorrow. So next week, exhaust change. So it's already on the way. It should be here today. That's what it was showing. It's gonna be really loud as well. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for next week as we are gonna have the downpipes in, hopefully. Right, so thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Like, share and subscribe.